Hello children, we'll do the exercise 2a today, that is in exponents and power. To solve this exercise we have to look after some of the formulas here, so that will be defined according to the questions what we will solve today. Okay, now the first questions goes like this: a to the power 6 into a to the power 8. As you see, the power is different but the numbers which is here, that is same. So according to the first formula, we'll add the power which is in multiplication form. Okay, the number which is multiplied, the power will get added. So that means 6 plus 8 will get added. Now the a to the power 14 is your answer. Okay, so in the multiplication form, the power will get added only in the matter where the numbers will be same, common. Now in this question you will see x to the power 9 and 3. So both are in the addition form. First we'll add this one. So 9 plus 3 into z to the power minus 6. Okay. So first it is in the addition form. This one, there is no any subtraction because here is in subtraction with the power. So we'll do later on that one. Z to the power 12 minus 6. Z to the power 12 minus 6. The answer will come 6. Okay. Now the last second questions. Rest of the questions, if you have any problem by doing the questions or solving it, you just click that question number and send it to me. Okay, I'll make it a solutions of that and send it to you back, or I'll make a doubt clearance video on the basis of your questions. Okay, which you will send to me. Now the next question is m5 n cube m square n to the power minus 4. So in this regarding of this question, we will subtract it when the question is in fraction form. Okay. Now the numbers are same, you can see m is same, but the powers are different, 5 and 2. So we'll subtract it, 5 minus 2 and 3. It will go up, then we'll go subtracted, but again it has a minus 4. We'll put it that also. So m cube and 3 minus plus 4. So the answer will be m cube n to the power 7 is your answer. The next question is 18. Divide is there, so we'll convert this one into a fraction form, so that will be easy for us to cut the numbers and the alphabets. Now, or we can say the coefficients as well. First we'll see the numbers. So numbers, it is cutting from the table or not. So we see in the 6th table 18 is coming, so directly you can cut it 18, 6 3 is 18. So 3 remained here in our hand by x to the power 7. Now we have x 9 minus 7. So 3 x to the power square is your answer. Okay, similarly we'll do this questions as well. That is a7 is there, a to the power minus 2. So we'll take it this one and upstairs, then minus will 2. Okay, it will go up, then will come in minus, and itself it has a minus here. Then next question is b5. 3 will go up, then you convert it to a minus form because it is in fraction. So when the power will go up, then it will convert into minus only in the case when the numbers are same. Okay, these bases are same. Only in that case the power will get subtracted or added. 6 4 minus 6. So a 7 plus 2, b 5 minus 3 is square, and c minus 2. Answer is a9, b square and c minus 2 is your answer. So if you have any problem regarding this simplifications, you just pass it the questions to me, so I will help you on the doubt clearance class. Now in this question we will see here that it is in the power form, that is this. Okay, a b to the power m. So this power will multiply with both the factors which is inside a bracket in the equal form. So as it is, so 4 is there to the power 4, that means becomes to the power 4, x to 4 is 8. We multiply with the power, and 1 is there, 1 to the power 1, so 4 1 is 4. Okay, so 4 times will multiply, then how much will come? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, x to the power 8, y to the power 4 is your answer. Okay, similarly we will do this as well. So m square is there to the power 4, bracket 4 is there, So we'll do m square and 4. We'll multiply that. 4 2 4 is 8 and minus 8, that means minus 12 is your directly. Okay, or you can write here n to the power minus 12 is there, n to the power minus 12, then we can write in this form as well. So m8 n to the power 12 into 1 by n12. So we can write here m8 by n12 is your answer. In this form also we can write it, this question. Okay, now evaluate this one. In this evaluate questions, you see here 27 2 by 3 is there in the power. So check it here. 27, if you take out the LCM of 27, how many times will come? 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. So how many 3s are coming? 3 3s. Okay, so we'll write it 3 1 by 3 or 2 by 3. Okay, so in these connections we will see here that, okay, now this will come with q, not 3. So 3 into 2 by 3. In this section we'll cut it 3 3. The remaining is 3 to the 3 square. So answer will be 3 into 3 equal to 9 is your answer. Similarly we'll do this question as well. 16 is there. If you take out the LCM of 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. So how many 2's are coming by solving or taking out LCM of 16? 4. So just take it a 4, 2 4 minus 3 by 4. So after removing the bracket, or it is a multiplication form, directly we can cut it. Okay, so 4 and 4 it will cut, then remaining 2 to the power minus 3. So if you write it here, then will come in this factor. We will see this formula, a to the power minus m equal to a1 by am. So we have here 1 by 2 cube. Then answer will come here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 is your answer. These questions we have to look after the formulas, because if you won't go with the formula, that will make a problem afterwards. Okay, so doing the questions or solving these questions, you have just check the formula which is given beside of the questions. Now we will do the question number 5 that I said before the exercise is starting, that we will do today the question number 1 to question number 5. So this is the last question, then we'll discuss the rest of the question in the next video. Okay, now the similar that question last till question number 4, whatever we did, that is a bit similar with these questions as well. There is 25 a square 1 by 2 is there. So first we have to take out the LCM of 25. That 25, if you take out the LCM of 25, then 5 square will come. So eventually we will write here 5 square, a to the power square 1 to the power 2. So we have both the squares is there, so we can take out a common from here square. So 5a square into 1 by 2 is there. 2 will cut. Answer is 5a. Clear? And the next question also similar is with this 64. We have to take out LCM of 64. Okay. Now there is a cube. Just check it here. Okay. How many times it will go? Okay. We have to take it that numbers on the countable of the power, which is given here down denominator. Now it will go at 4 6 is 24, 4 4 is 16. That means we can see here 4 cube it will come directly. Okay, no need to do from question number 2 table. So directly we can see here by the cube section, this come here 4 4 and 4. We'll multiply this 3 4, then will come here 64. So we can cut that 3 cube by this 2 by 3 number. Okay, denominator 3. So just check it, 4 cube minus 6 cube 2 by 3. In this case you see here m to the power minus 6 is there. So m to the power minus 6 how will write? M to the power minus 6, a to the minus m. How will write? 1 by a to the power m. So we can write it m by 1 to the power m6 into n cube whole 2 by 3. Okay, so here we can take it 3 3 is there, we can take it a 3 common outside. 4n cube by m 6. Okay, here also we can take out a cube from here. Then 3 into 3 will cut, will come here square, 4 square, that will come here 4 with the 16, 16 and 6 by m6 is your answer. There is a small change in question number 2 that, okay, 4 cube is there and n cube by m6 inside a bracket 2 by 3, so that means 2 by 3 will be multiplied with both the fractions, like numerator also the denominator also, so will come here 4 cube, okay, into n cube, give it 4n cube into 2 by 3 by m6 2 by 3, then 3 will cut, 3 2 just 6 will come here, so 4n whole square by m, 2 2 just 4, so will come here 4 4 just 16 n square by m4. This is your answer. Now this is the last question of question number 5. We have a 3 root over x to the power 18, y to the power minus 12 and z to the power 3. So in normal form we'll write here 18 by 3 minus 12 by 3 and z 3 by 3. So 3 6 18 will come here, 3 4 12, y minus 4 and 3 3 will cut, 1 will remain back here. Okay, so as you see here that a to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by m is there, so as it is we'll write x6, z will come here and y will go down, so this is your answer. This is the last questions of this exercise I am doing from here. Okay, now till question number 1 to question number 5 the sample question is completed. Now you do the exercise. If you have any queries you can ask it through the queries classes. Send the questions to the queries class.